Lani Misalucha, born August 3, 1969, is a Filipino singer. Known for her vocal range, powerful, emotive vocals, and ability to sing opera arias, she has been referred to as Asia's Nightingale. Her music has received recognition from a number of award-giving bodies such as AWIT Awards, Aliw Awards, Box Office Entertainment Awards, and PMPC Star Awards for music. In 2021, she was named People of the Year by People Asia. Misalucha began singing as a church choir member and eventually became a backup vocalist of various bands. After several stints as a singer of commercial jingles and multiplex tapes, she released her 1997 debut album More Than I Should under Alpha Records. The following year, she competed at the 3rd Asia Song Festival and won Best Interpreter for the song Handle with Care. The same year, she signed with Viva Records and released her sophomore album to Nama Hall in 1998. The following year, she won the top honor at the 1999 Metropop Song Festival and released her 3rd studio album All Art in 2000. In 2001, she staged her first major solo concert, Lani Misalucha, the Crossover Live Tour at the Araneta Coliseum, earning an Entertainer of the Year win at the 2002 Aliw Awards. She received further recognition after moving to Las Vegas in 2004 and embarked on a string of headlining concert residencies, becoming the first Asian artist to headline in a main showroom in the city. Her vocal performances have earned praises from musical artists such as Dionne Warwick, Joe Jackson, Gladys Knight, James Ingram, and Whitney Houston. Misalucha has said that from childhood she has been influenced by Barbra Streisand and cites idols as varied as Whitney Houston and Shirley Bassey. In a 2001 interview with journalist Ricky Lowe, she revealed that her most favorite Streisand song is As If We Never Said Goodbye and Houston sang All My Love For You, which she used as her piece in a number of amateur singing competitions. Born into a musical family, she was already trained at age 5 and revealed in a 2014 interview that Ave Maria was the first classical song her father taught her. Misalucha is often described as a vocal virtuoso by critics and is celebrated as one of the best Filipino singers of all time, noted for her vocal range, vocal dexterity, showmanship, and musical versatility. Nick correspondent Oliver Oliveros praised her singing prowess, saying, "Lani is a seasoned recording artist who is able to scale 5 octaves and could sing anything in any vocal style." Regarding the musical style, Misalucha's vocal performances incorporated a wide variety of genres such pop, rock, R&B, jazz, soul, Latin pop, disco, Christmas, and classical music. Regine Velasquez praised her in an interview in 2021, saying, "Lani has one of the most beautiful voices I have ever heard. Not only does her voice sound good, she truly is a great singer and performer." American singer-songwriter James Ingram praised Misalucha's vocal performance during his concert in Manila, saying, "I never thought how good she was. I was moved by angels in heaven with her voice." Legacy. MTV Southeast Asia named Misalucha as the Asia's Nightingale for her vocal talent. A significant figure in Philippine pop music, she has been cited and acknowledged by numerous artists as an influence and inspiration, including Morissette, Zephanie Demaranan, Stephanie Reese, Jade Riccio, Mary L. Corpus, and Rami L.A. Malyabe. Personal life. Lani Misalucha was born into a musical family. Her father, Benjamin de Guzman Boyot, was an operatic tenor, while her mother, Esperanza Salvador de Malanta, was a coloratura soprano. Her sister, May, is a band vocalist. Another sister, Carlin, is an actress who also plays the violin and flute, while their brothers, Navi and Osi, play the guitar and piano. She was tutored in classical vocals by her parents. Misalucha acquired her basic education from Rafael Palma Elementary School and PCU Union High School. At age 20, she sang with the Andres Bonifacio Choir of the Cultural Center of the Philippines. She eventually joined various bands as a vocalist or backup singer, beginning with the group Prelude and later the group Law of Gravity, whose band leader Baji Dasig gave Misalucha her first single, entitled More Than I Should, in 1993. She also recorded Dasig's ballad Sakay on NG Jeep. Misalucha later worked the lounge circuits as a soloist and lent her voice to numerous commercial jingles and karaoke tapes, thus earning her the epithet Multiplex Queen. After Misalucha obtained her degree in business management from the Philippine Christian University, she married Noli Misalucha. They have 2 daughters together, Leon and Leuven. Health. In an interview with GMA Network on January 5, 2008, Misalucha stated that she was set to undergo surgery on an ovarian in February 2008. In October 2020, Misalucha and her husband contracted and later recovered from bacterial meningitis. However, they both became completely deaf in their right ears. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.